incroyable, hein. T'es venu quand même avec des cheveux assez longs. Hein? Ils étaient longs, non?
J'ai perdu, je sais pas, 5 ans là.
Ah, bon, 5 ans, 20 ans, ouais. Non, j'ai gagné. Non, pas 20 ans. Mais...
5 ans, c'est déjà pas mal. Hein.
5 ans, c'est déjà pas mal. Hein. Les cheveux, ils arrivent par là? Par là?
Ouais,
à peu près. Ça prend les accoupler. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on pense? Oh, c'est bien ça. Hein.
Ouais, au top. C'est superbe.
Ah, regarde,
j'ai besoin de nouveau.
Avec besoin de nouveau, hein.
Voilà, on y est.
Laissez-moi tourner. Donc, nous avons fait un petit carré plongeant. Un peu tout stylisé. Voilà. Voilà, regarde ça.
Super.
Alors, qui es-tu Aude
Aude Bréol, je suis esthéticienne indépendante.
Mais où ça?
À Lutry. Deux rue du Port à Lutry. Mais je fais aussi du domicile.
Ouais.
Donc c'est l'un ou l'autre au choix.
Et tu fais quoi là-bas?
Alors, j'essaie de faire un concept un petit peu différent. Je partage l'endroit avec une artiste peintre. Déjà, ça c'est déjà différent. Et puis, j'essaie d'avoir un max de produits biologiques, artisanaux et des tarifs aussi irrésistibles. Parce que
ça c'est bien, il faut venir chez elle. Hein.
L'esthétique c'est cher, très cher, et j'essaie de casser un peu ça. Et puis voilà, tout en gardant une top qualité quoi.
Ouais.
Mais...
Are you recording? You're working hard. You're having a great time working, obviously. Don't, you know, take the best part of me, please.
We brought it all the way up, and I put a lot of pieces in my it's just not too all over colors. It really needs different colors. Yeah. Maybe even on the tips. Push them around like that. What do you?
Basically, I will not change a lot the natural color. I will do, like you said, emphasizing the ends, lifting with the pure highlight cream, but adding just a small amount of our boosters, just to make it something very pastel but elegant. Not the color comes out, but in an elegant way, not like a flash color.
Yeah, and then when we style it, we can put some, get it nice and full. Get all. That sounds good. Awesome. Perfect. All right. So, in all of my years of shaping hair dry, I've always had a problem with flyaway static electricity. Okay? HD security is the answer. I've never had a product that I could work with that takes away with it. Simply spraying it on dry hair like that. And you see, not only the brilliant shine that you get in there, no flyaway, beautiful shine, smooth, amazing product. And it acts as a lubricant when I come in. Take my shears and taper that hair in. In the past, I've had a lot of problems doing this with the hair getting all flying away. Very static. As you can see, and after going in like that, you've got a brilliant shimmer and shine in the hair, nice and smooth, great product. HD security, #1 in my.
So we got some dimensional color here today. We use 67, 66, and 6-666 for her red. Got a lot of dimension. And we toned her blonde with caramel. Very beautiful.
Okay. No, we have to change. We're in the middle of preparation for the show that we will have tomorrow in Tampa, and we have some beautiful models. Here's a Chelsea, and we're working with the blonde alter ego. Pure light blue powder, cranky volume, just to create to break this blonde look and to create dimension effect.
Nice.
I'm going to Frankfurt and taking that straight to my hair. I have friends that live there. I'll do 3 days in Frankfurt, and then I'll go over to.
Hello. Hey folks. We're having fun. Best band out of Belfast ever.
Oh yeah?
Stiff little fingers.
Is that your band?
They're great.
Welcome to Velvet Salon Alter Ego. This is our family in Tampa. And welcome. We're gonna get ready for our show tomorrow. Thank you for visiting us here today. We have Alessandro and Phil, and Albie is working on some great haircuts. And we have our fellow co-worker, and she's getting her hair done today, so we're really excited. Thank you.